The Huawei P30 Pro is powered by the Kirin 980 chipset, 8GB of RAM, and Huawei's GPU Turbo software. I'm Daniel of Pinoy Techno Guide, and it's time to test the gaming performance of the Huawei P30 Pro. I'll be testing PUBG Mobile, Mobile Legends, and NBA 2K19 on this device.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
The first game is Mobile Legends. I maxed out all the graphic settings, which means the graphics quality is high, frame rate mode is high, shadow is turned on, and character frame
Turtle
is also on.
resurrecting soon.
The game is in ranked mode and I played until I destroyed the enemy base. Here is the frame rate as measured by Frame Bench. The Huawei P30 Pro ran Mobile Legends at a perfect 60 frames per second and a stable temperature of 38 degrees Celsius. Next is NBA 2K19. This is not a free game, but it's popular here in the Philippines. I also set the graphics options to the highest possible settings. These include the cloth simulation, crowds, and reflections.
And he gets it to go.
Once again, the Huawei P30 Pro has a perfect frame rate of 60 FPS while running NBA 2K19. However, it can sometimes go down to 55 frames per second when showing the highlights of the game.
Now Okafor. Just 5 on the clock. Misses the layup.
And we have PUBG Mobile. Upon launching PUBG Mobile on the Huawei P30 Pro for the first time, the game automatically suggested a high-quality graphics setup since it detected that this is a flagship smartphone. It can still be adjusted one step higher and set the graphics quality to HDR and frame rate mode to Ultra. Unlike the first two games, the Huawei P30 Pro ran PUBG Mobile at 40 frames per second with a slight increase in temperature to 40 degrees Celsius. This is the most resource intensive among the three games, so the result is as expected. For comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S10 ran PUBG Mobile at a slightly higher frame rate of 42 frames per second during my testing with the same graphics settings. Here are the gaming test results of the Huawei P30 Pro. So in conclusion, the Huawei P30 Pro can provide an incredible gaming performance. It can run most Android games at the highest possible frame rate that the game supports. Some resource-intensive games such as PUBG Mobile will have a slightly lower frame rate, but it's still above average and will feel and look smooth while playing.